the Red Sox start JD Martinez in left field and move Andrew Benintendi to the bench when the World Series moves to Dodger Stadium for Game 3 on Friday night. Martinez injured his ankle in Game 1 and seemed to have problems running during Game 2, but is still ready to hit the quarter and play in the backyard for the first time in the postseason after serving previously as the Boston hitter. Martinez led the American League with 130 RBIs in the regular season and was second in both batting average .330 and 43 homers. He is hitting .333 with 13 RBIs in the playoffs. The decision to sit Benintendi allows the Red Sox to keep ALCS MVP Jackie Bradley Jr. in center field and Mookie Betts first on the right. Shortstop Xander Bogaerts will rise to second place, normally occupied by Benintendi, followed by first baseman Mitch Moreland and Martinez. Red Sox manager Alex Cora also said Nathan Eovaldi is scheduled to start Game 4 on Saturday, although the right-hander could also be used outside of the bullpen in Game 3 if necessary.